There are a lot of people trying to get funding and telling you, you got to go get funding. You got to fund your business, get this thing and get in that investment and find an investor. That's a lot. And I know it's frustrating. I've been through that. I totally get what you're going through if that's you right now. However, going to find some investor is not the only way to fund your business. Let's talk about another option. Hey, I'm Matt, and I help software companies scale beyond their dreams so they can get more leads, close more deals, and achieve an incredibly dream exit. It's so much fun when that happens. I've been there a few times, and I want to help you get there too. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down there, that little bell. That's going to get you all of the latest tips and tricks and fun stuff that I share. Now, we're talking about funding. If you want to get big and you want to grow and scale and get all that stuff, they tell you you've got to go out and find an investor and get funding. And so a lot of times people are out there spending their time trying to sell these investors on the company and trying to put together this pitch deck and, hey, you should do this, you should do that. Oh, it's quite a lot. Just thinking about it, it's a lot. What is there to do? Maybe there's another way. Maybe there's another chance. Maybe there's something else we can do. And there is. What you can do instead is self-fund your company. Self-fund your company. What if you put that same amount of effort, that same amount of drive and motivation and the time that you're spending into your sales process and putting together something that helps you grow? Sales can fund your company. Your own sales can actually fund your company. If you sell, you get revenue. That money comes in. If you're a software company, you're going to be getting routine revenue, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. That revenue keeps coming once you sell them. So what if we put that effort into self-funding, into growing our own company through our own efforts instead of going out and getting funding and giving away some of the company? That way you're going to have a smaller piece once everything's said and done. So self-fund, put together a process, put together a way to go out and close these deals. Follow these videos for doing it. By the way, if you want to understand how to close deals, that's why I put together my course, Software Demo Secrets. Software Demo Secrets is the way to go out and close a lot of deals. I've got step-by-step what you can do to make sure you're growing your company. So hit that up, go check it. You'll see a link down in the description where you can get Software Demo Secrets. But that way you can go and close more deals and get some more revenue to fund your own growth. That is something that you're going to be appreciative of when times come to sell. This is Matt. I hope this helps. If you like this, hit the like button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, or maybe you don't agree with me, go ahead and write down in the comments there. I'll be happy to answer those and we can start a dialogue. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this. Take care.